In a world driven by risk and uncertainty, every decision counts. With Analytic Solver Simulation, you don't just face uncertainty, you master it. You turn unpredictability into insight, volatility into vision, and risk into confident action. It's the fastest simulation engine in any Excel-based product, running thousands of what-if scenarios in seconds and instantly revealing the full range of outcomes through interactive charts, graphs, and statistics, helping you quantify risk and make confident data-driven decisions. With over 50 predefined distributions, options to create your own, data fitting with flexible meta-log distributions, and support for importing probability models from the cloud, Analytic Solver makes modeling uncertainty effortless. It also models real-world interdependencies, letting you correlate variables even when they follow dissimilar distributions. Go beyond traditional Monte Carlo simulation with interactive runs, parameterized scenarios, and built-in stochastic, robust, and simulation optimization. And with its unique support for recourse or wait-and-see decisions, Analytic Solver helps you make stronger choices today, even when tomorrow is uncertain. With Frontline's AI agent in the Analytic Solver task pane, you get instant answers whenever you need them. Seamlessly visit the Help menu for expert chat, ready to run examples, webinars, and self-paced courses. Fast, intelligent, transparent. Master uncertainty with Analytic Solver Simulation.